Restaurant owners are paying OpenTable an estimated $22,000 a year just so their own guests can book a table. OpenTable made $1.1 billion last year. A big chunk of that came straight from independent restaurants. And here's what gets me. They're paying to rent their own guests on a platform that puts their competition right next to them. But what if a restaurant could just own that? Their brand, their data, no per-cover fees. That's exactly what Mesa is, built with Remy. Take Lumi, a northern Italian spot in Brooklyn. Handmade pasta, wood-fired pizza, run by Sofia and Marco. Their site has a reservation flow built right in. No OpenTable redirect, no third-party branding. Guests see Lumi, start to finish. I book a table, Saturday, 2 guests, 8 p.m. Done. The confirmation email comes from the restaurant directly. Guests can view or change their reservation and add it to their calendar with one tap. The operator side is just as clean. Full floor plan, daily timeline, waitlist, everything in one place. Remy built this entire app, full stack, for around $200. No ongoing cover fees. The restaurant owns the app. The restaurant owns the data. That's the move. Try it yourself. Links in the description.